Hello friends, my name is Mehek. Today we will play cooking. There is many stuff. We will cut fruit, vegetables and cook them. Up there is a fridge, oven, a kitchen. Let's start cooking. Oh, there's a kitchen. There is many things, but I'm making a chicken. It's yummy. I think so. It will be yummy. Let's take it out and use my. There is no chopper board and no knife, but I will use my strong hands. Yeah. I broke it. Let's open the oven door. The oven is opened. Now let's put one piece in the oven. The other piece can stay for another day. Well, cook it. Okay, it's making that time. Put it over here. And strong is enough. Now I need a knife, but we're out of chopper. Let's use my knife. Only my knife can help me. Because my chopper is knife. Now let's start cutting this. Sorry. Okay, then out. So it's one. It's lost to the top. But it's empty. Let's put some pepper. One pepper. Oh, I think the carrot is done. Open it. Okay. Let's take the flour and put the carrot over here. It looks a little bit empty. Let's put a tomato. That it's delicious. Yeah. Now let's put one piece. Enough. Another piece can be safe for a moment. I think the yummy food is done. Now let's pick it and put it. Yalla. Put over here. Next one. A raw pumpkin. Pumpkins are green and pumpkins are orange. one egg. Opening the one pumpkin soup is done. This. Now let me show what did I cook today. Let's put the kitchen stuff over there. Basket too. Let's eat them up. There's many foods. Let's start eating. Let's start with the broccoli. Delicious. And the pepper. Now let's try this one. Tomato carrot. Favorite. Now let's try the carrot. It's done. The last one, let's try the pumpkin soup. Let's try first the raw pumpkin. Now we need to wash them. Wash the plate. It's so dirty. Make the plate clean. Wash them every day. One plate done. Next plate. Wash the plate. Make the plate clean. Yay. It's so fun to play. The last one. Done. It's the end. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you soon.